This is the Boeing one-day reading for July 23rd, 2024. It's currently June 12th, 2024, 11:58 a.m. Eastern Time. Boeing at the time of this reading is $183.56. That's USD. The shuffle video for the July 23rd reading was created on May 24th, 2024 at 12:43 a.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme of behavior for Boeing on the 23rd, we have a brief peak that we sell off from pretty notably. Behavior around the high side, we have sideways fluidity, equal amounts of bulls and bear inflow and outflow. Yeah, that high is probably the same high from yesterday. Behavior around the lowest low, we successfully create support at the low and then advise to trade around a pop and drop near a low. Now, I'm going to get into the hour-by-hour chart behavior as well as finding the highs, lows, and the best trade opportunities. But before I do that, I want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube Tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. In the pre-market, we have an unexpected move to the upside, taking us to a high at the open where we attempt to establish support. In the first half hour, that turns into volatility and a sharp drop that stands out in that volatility. Volatility continues into the 10 to 11 o'clock hour, but ends with a fast move higher. We're bound by a range between roughly 11 and 12. There's a trough at about 11:30 and a big move out of that trough. A big move to the upside between roughly 12 and 1. A trade opportunity, I'll talk about in more detail in the paid version. Then that full card again there between 1 and 2. Looks like it starts as a decline and then turns into a pretty notable move to the upside, taking us to a high there just before 2 o'clock. Advice to be cautious in that 2 to 3 o'clock hour, not to do anything impulsive or make the wrong decision. And then in the last hour, there's a rally that offers opportunity and turns over into a sharp decline off of a high at the near the close. Somewhere in the last half hour or at the close, there's a high that would decline off of pretty notably. In the post-market, however, there's a rally and we probably move higher on the 24th. Well, we don't not necessarily move higher, but there's this pretty strong move to the upside here on the 24th. And we'll talk about that in more detail when we get into the reading for the 24th. That's going for the July 23rd. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned if you got the paid version. We're going to get into the best trades momentarily.